Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you are new here, and today we're gonna go charity shopping in Basildon. I'm gonna walk downstairs while I talk to you. So I am going to Busted in a couple of weeks. By the time you've seen this, I probably am going to Busted or have been, I don't know. So essentially me, Hannah and Penny are going to have matching tops, which I'm going to do with my cricket, which I'm going to film a tutorial for, so you will see that soon. But I brought a t-shirt to wear and I don't like it. I don't like the fit. I brought it in a shop with no changing rooms, and yeah, it's just not the right fit on me. So I want to get a different top. So I'm going to Basildon because there is, not only is there a Havens outlet, there is also a Cancer Research outlet there. So I feel like I'm giving myself the best odds of finding a cheap top. I don't want to spend more than £2 or £3 on this top because I am going to put a Busted slogan on. Ideally, I want one that's really quite oversized so I can just wear it around the house afterwards, because I wear oversized tops like every day at home. So if I find one that's oversized enough that I'll wear it at home, that's what I want to do. So that's what I'm on the hunt for. Obviously, I'll show you any cool things I find. For outfit, I'm wearing my cute little tennis dress from Humana Vintage in Rome. I've got my Glastonbury tote on, and I'm wearing my trainers from the boot sale. So probably practical charity shopping outfit. I've also got 2 Vinted parcels to post. So I've started selling on Vinted and I've sold five things so far, and I only uploaded things yesterday. So feeling good. These ones are both every parcels, which are actually going to be the most convenient because the post office takes them locally to me. The in-post ones, like the lockers, annoyingly, they, my closest one's in Ingatstone, which is about a 10-minute drive, which is really annoying because I know a lot of people have them really local to them. So that's just annoying, and it's just the way it is. Trying to lock the door with one hand. My parents are away, which is why I'm home alone. Hold on, I can't do that. So yeah, my local in-post locker is a solid 2.5 miles away, which is really annoying. Anyway, it does look like it's going to rain and I'm in a really summery outfit, so we're going to get going before it absolutely chucks down. Let's go. Parcels are posted. That wasn't the easiest one and obviously legendary for losing and breaking parcels, but I'll tell you, it's easy to send, so that's good. Now let's go to Basildon. So if you're local and you're coming to Basildon to charity shop, I always park in the Asda car park because it's 3 hours free, so you can always do all the charity shops before then. So we've got the escalators like towards Asda, and then walk down towards like River Island and go out by Claire's, and that is where all the charity shops are. Out these doors, this is the best way to get into the charity shops. First stop is Scoop out the windows. Real filming on my shoes. These are lovely. Red is really in this series. Especially ballet pumps. They're pointy. These are literally everything, but they're gonna be too big, so they're 5, but they're really nice. I realised when I was sorting through my shoes I have like no heels, which at the moment because my dodgy ankle I can't walk in anyway, but I do feel like I need heels. These look nice. I need some like, I know it's kind of getting into long season, but I need some like lighter tops for work because I only have shirts and they're just too hot. I say that looking at shirts, but I need more like short sleeves. I'm also still on the hunt for the perfect cable knit jumper. That's really nice. That'd be gorgeous to have up for winter. Very hot thinking about it now, but £6.50. It's a originally new look. I really like that, but I'm gonna leave. Yeah, still in the hunt for the perfect cream cable knit jumper. Very Matrix. So nice. I've been hunting for a pair of straight leg, like leather trousers. They might be too big, but I might try them on because these have been on my list forever. They also are going to be far too long. Plaid skirt is lovely. I feel like plaid is such like an autumn staple. I was worried about them doing too big because of the size, but no, they are not doing up. Annoyingly, they fit all right on the leg, but they are not going to do up. Next up, British Heart Foundation. This is very cute and very me, but I do not need another dress like that. This bag is very cute, a little mini bag. Well, that one as well. You guys know me, I'm a sucker for a mini bag. I've been buying books, but this is the same as like the Barry and the Keith. It's a Doug, the bug that went boom. I don't know. But she's got so many books, I can't keep on buying them. I need to actually save some things to get her when she's actually born. But I can't help but look. Okay, British Art Foundation. So expensive. Now off to my favourite, the Havens outlet. This is where I'm really holding out hope that I'm going to find my plain t-shirt. They did have a couple in there, they're all grey. And as you guys know, grey's not my colour, so. Love this window. Maybe I can just change my idea and just go as Minnie Mouse. A lot easier. This is absolutely stunning, but an XL from side. I mean, look at the bit with your boobs, that's not fitting. It's a gorgeous pinstripe blazer. I wish there was matching trousers. Another one. Not set on what trousers I'm gonna wear for Busted yet, so if I see any like super funky ones cheap, then you know I am potentially gonna look for some. It's a pretty summery top, obviously wrong time of year for it now, but is a super cute like Y2K top. I love that with a little frill. Don't need it, but I love it. Sweater vest was in the men's section, but it is a ladies one. It's so cute. They're really cute. I just wish they were shorts and not a skirt because it's far too short. That would have been so good for Barbie. And these Crocs are too ugly for me. I will admit it. I will admit it, Hannah, if you're watching, these are horrible. So I ended up picking up a little white vest top in there because I feel like it's going to be hot in there. So maybe a vest top's better than a t-shirt. And I feel like vest tops are easier to style than a t-shirt. I don't know. I'm not sure mine's going to be open because I don't always open on a Sunday, but got that. Because I just find any plain top, I'm like, well, this is really boring. But then, like, obviously, I'm going to style it up. But Mind is open. Let's see what's in there. Time to go into Mind. All clothing marked with blue lights, just £2. This is my dream. So this part was all 50p. This is all £1. I've been through that one before, but I've got some 50p vest tops. I actually think these for my cargos actually look so cool. So I think I've actually finally got some sort of idea in my head of what I want to wear. I'm just looking at Mickey in the high chair. Hi, Mickey. Lots of toys. Oh, that's nice. I'm looking for a big bag that would be big enough to fit my laptop in for work. Not sure if it would be quite tall enough, annoyingly. £3.50. Got little Mickeys on. It's really sweet. So I feel like that was totally successful now then, because I can definitely wear either of them vest tops with my cargos, which would be really fun. Now I'm just going to go Cats Research for the fun. Actually browse everything, have a look. I think I'm almost definitely going to wear them with cargos, but I'll see if there's something that catches my eye that would be better. Yeah, let's go on Cats Research. So I went to the dresses in Cats Research and I actually donated this to the Billericay store, so it's obviously got rotated to an outlet, which is funny. I thought this pink dress was cute. I also really liked these boots and this sparkly blouse. I am just walking back to my car. I ended up getting a little knitted like beach cover up. Oh, that's good. I'm not gonna fit through that gap. Yeah, I ended up getting like a little beach cover up in Cats Research, although they were like trying to close for lunch, and I always feel like rushed. I don't know. I don't know if we rushed when I'm in a charity shop. I want to be able to mooch, and I felt rushed, so I saw that dress and I got that dress, and I kind of just left. I'm hoping it's going to be baggy enough that it's not like super tight, because you know me, I don't like tight short dresses. But I'll show you everything when I get home, so I'll speak to them. There is definitely a storm brewing. I know to speak to you when I get home, but there's definitely a storm brewing. The light, it literally looks like dark out, so my plan was to go home and film loads of content. I'll film the haul for this, but I'm not sure how much content I'll be able to get because it is so gloomy and the lighting in my room is terrible anyway, let alone if there's literally a storm coming. So let's go home. I'm gonna give you a haul. I'm gonna eat some lunch because I'm hungry. It's 12:15, although it looks like midnight. Let's go get some food. I'm tired. This dark weather's making me tired. I am back from the shops and wow, it looks so colourful in here, especially with the colourful dress. I thought I'd show you what I picked up. Let's move my fan out of the way. Of course that happens as soon as I start filming. Ignore the drilling that's happening outside. As I said, I only got a couple of pieces. I'm going to show you them and I might even try them on for you if you're lucky. So, in no particular order, from Mind charity shop, got this Marks and Sparks vest top. This is 50p. It does say it's a size medium. Is it going to fit? Oh, it looks like it's actually going to be very high neck. 50p though, thought I'd give it a chance. Did not quite realise how short these straps are though, because this is going to sit quite high up. Actually, I'm in need of vest tops I could potentially get away with work with fancy trousers, so this might be a good one for that. Anyway, it was 50p, then 50p pot, so I picked that up. So here is the black vest top. Excuse me, I'm literally just wearing chopper up shorts, but this is actually really nice. It's a lot higher neck than I'm used to on my vest tops, but it does mean I probably get away with this for work with like smart trousers, which is great. From Havens for £1.60 with my discount, I got this Wallace little vest top. This, I'm not gonna lie, it looks quite see-through, but I feel like with a white or a nude bra underneath it'll be fine. It's got adjustable straps, which is great. I actually think I'm not going to print on either of these though. I actually think I'm going to print on this one I'm going to show you next. It's always handy to have a vest though. I'll always wear this under stuff, for pyjamas, you know. A vest top is always practical, so with adjustable straps as well, that's great. Yeah, not too much to say about it. It is a vest top. It's just a white vest top, not much to say on it. The lady at the shop, I tried this on because it was in Havens, I tried it on over my dress and she tightened the straps, so I do actually think I'd probably have them a bit looser so it sits like better on my chest, but I mean, I will wear this as pyjamas. This is the one I think I actually am going to print on for the busted outfit. This is a Pure Una size 14 vest top. Again, this is 50p from Mind. I just like the colour of this. I think this will go really well with my cargos. I'm thinking I'll probably wear my kind of rust colour cargos. So I think this will look really nice with it. So that is what I'm going to print onto. I'm not sure what colour vinyl to use. I've got a whole stack of vinyl here. You'll see all that in the next video when I'm actually DIYing this. But I think I'm going to use this top, as I said. That's 50p. And then here is the neutral top with the trousers I'm going to wear for busted. So excited. Obviously I'm going to have to put the thing on. And then finally, the only kind of exciting thing from this haul, which I'm really hoping fits the way I want it to, is just this kind of crochet dress. I'm thinking I'm going to wear this as a beach cover up. I'm not sure what its intended thing is. Looking at it, it kind of looks a bit homemade, but I'm not sure. This was £3 and it doesn't have any tags on it or anything, I don't think, no labels. I just think this would be cute as a little beach cover up. And I know you're thinking, Amy, it is literally autumn now. Well, it's not really, but it kind of is. It's autumn, why are you buying beach cover ups? But I am actually going away for a sunny holiday, well, sunny-ish, end of November, early December. We're going to Lanzarote, and obviously it'll still be kind of warm there, so I'll probably still be in bikinis, but I think this will be nice to chuck over it for like lunches and things like that. And also I just thought it was really cute, and I thought I could style this next summer, I think, maybe with some denim shorts, I don't know. It will all depend on how it fits because I'm not sure with that sort of thing. So I do think this was probably originally a top, not a dress. But imagine it without a bra, but with a bikini underneath. I think then it would be really cute. Maybe one of the colours of the stripes could be really sweet. I have got chopper up shorts underneath, and considering they're quite long, you can't really see them. So it just, but I'm thinking if I tighten up this strap here, it could work. Anyway, it'd be really cute for a bikini cover up, so I'm quite happy with that. That is all I picked up today at the charity shops. Thank you for coming with me and then keeping me company. It didn't rain, it held out, although it's so dark, although this lighting is working, so that fills me with great hope that I'll be able to film some more content. Update on the vintage parcels. I've now sold 6 parcels. I think I'm up to about £50, so I'm really, really happy with that, because I had this stuff on Depop for ages, so I'm glad it's finally going. So if you are thinking about trying out Vinted, definitely do, because I'm having a lot of success with it, and it's so easy to upload things on there compared to Depop. It's not a slagging off Depop session, they've done me well. I've got a lot of money off Depop in the past, but yeah, it's great. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.